Children, now we are with the class 8 of exercise 9b, triangles. I have selected the second problem, and here in the second problem, diagram has been given. ABCD is a square and ABB is an equilateral triangle. We have to prove triangle APD is congruent to triangle BPC, and also we have to find the angles of the triangle DPC. First, the solution says that ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. Let me write later. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. And also APB is an equilateral triangle. Because APB is an equilateral triangle, AB is equal to PB is equal to AP. And both square and equilateral triangle stands on same base AB. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to AP is equal to PB. Children, here in the square all the sides are equal. In an equilateral triangle all the sides are equal, and both the square and the equilateral triangle stands on the same base AB. So here all the sides are equal. Now, but not the DP and PC. All the sides means all the sides of square and all the sides of equilateral triangle are equal. Now here we have to prove. First problem we are taking. I am taking the first problem. Consider triangle APD and triangle BPC. Triangle APD and triangle BPC. First, AD is equal to BC. Reason is sides of same square. Sides of same square. Now, AP is equal to PB. Sides of same equilateral triangle. Third one, angle DAP is equal to angle CBP is equal to 30 degree. I will explain how the things has been got. Means how this angle is equal to 30 degree and this is 30 degree. That I will explain for you. Children, we know that in a square all the corners, all the angles are 90 degree. This is 90, 90, 90 and 90. And in an equilateral triangle, here the explanation you have to listen carefully and you have to consider this as 30 degree. Now we come to know that DAB is 90 and CBA is 90. And also in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60, 60 and 60. Now 90 minus 60 gets you 30. Here also 90 minus 60 gets you 30. Now let me give in the bracket the same thing how. So angle DAB is AB is equal to angle CBA is equal to 90 degree. Angle PAB is equal to angle PBA is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle DAP is equal to angle CBP is equal to 30 degree. After subtracting 90 minus 60, we will get 30 degree. This is the thing I have explained you. Now, 30 degree. 30 degree. Therefore, triangle APD is congruent to triangle BPC according to side angle side according to side angle side. First one we have proved. Now we are in need of lots of supplement to prove the angle, means to find the angle of the triangle DPC. First we have to find out this angle and this angle. Children, let me write down that. Angle for the second case. I am going for the second case. Angle ADP is equal to angle APD is equal to angle is equal to 150. Sorry, I will write down clearly. 180 minus 30 divided by 2. That is nothing but 75 degree. 75 degree. I will explain you. Similarly, angle BPC, this is in triangle ADP. Here in triangle BPC. Similarly, angle BPC is equal to angle BCP is equal to 180 minus 30 divided by 2 is equal to 75 degree. The reason, children, I have to explain you because children, first I will explain and I will write down the thing. Here AD is equal to AP. Equal side substance, equal angles. Equal side substance because let me please listen carefully. Equal sides substance. I will write down here 75, here 75 degree. Because equal sides substance equal angles. Here AD is equal to AP. In an isosceles triangle, equal side substance equal angles. Already we know that angle DAP is equal to 30 degree. So, the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. 180 minus 30, 150. 150 divided by 2 gets you 75 degree and this is 75 degree. Similarly, here also 75 degree and 75 degree. Now children, I will rub out this part and I will give you the second question. I have supplemented more here. This is second case. I have taken 75 degree and 75 degree. This will be helpful to find the angle. I will rub out this part. Please take down, means observe the thing carefully. Now let me rub this. To find the angle of a triangle DPC. See, these are all big problems. Even though it carries 4 marks, you have to write down, means for the part of explanation, I am giving all these things. You can carry out this thing straight away. Now next, here angle PDC is equal to angle C. Angle PDC is equal to angle PCD. PCD is equal to 90 minus 75 degree. That gives you 15 degree. So this is 15 degree and this is also 15 degree. How you come to know that? Because I will give you once again the reason. Because angle ADC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree, and because it is a square, and angle ADP is equal to angle BCP is equal to 75 degree. Therefore, angle PDC is equal to angle PCD is equal to, when you subtract you will get 15 degree. Now children, in triangle DPC, angle PDC plus angle DCP, PDC plus DCP plus DPC is equal to 180 degree. Now let me write down PDC 15 degree plus DCP 15 degree plus DPC we don't know, DPC is equal to 180 degree. Now this gives you 30 degree. Now and triangle angle DPC is equal to 180 minus 30 degree. That is angle DPC is equal to 150 degree. Therefore, angle DPC is equal to 150 degree and angle PDC is equal to angle PCD is equal to 15 degree. Now we come across, this is 15 degree, this is 15 degree and this is 150 degree. All the angles of the triangle DPC is found out. Children, in the same way, one more problem is there in the second problem. Please try out. I will go through the next problem. All the best.